How to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings, and here you need to scroll down to the Basics section, and from there click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. Once you're here, you need to set the time range by clicking on the drop down to either say, for example, last day, last week, or all time. Choose the time range that suits you the best, in which you want to delete the cookies and cache. I'm going to choose last day, for example. And then make sure that you uncheck all of the boxes except the cookies and site data and the cached images and files. And once you do that, click on the clear data at the bottom right. A confirmation box will pop up that asks you, are you sure you want to clear data from these websites? Click clear to confirm and wait for it. And there you have it. That's how you can delete cookies and cache in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.